Health is more than the absence of disease. It's a feeling of total well-being. But that's not you, is it? Whether you're in the sea of despair with back pain, diabetes, heart disease, stress, anxiety, or some other health challenge, modern medicine can be very effective at relieving your symptoms. But if that's all you do, it only takes another puff of wind and you're back in the sea of despair. Many of us spend years yo-yoing in and out of ill health, never feeling truly healthy. The safest and most fun place to be is as far back from the edge as possible. This can be achieved by having a great plan and sticking to it. But that's easier said than done. Enter ActiveX Health. Whatever your health challenge is, ActiveX will guide you in creating your personalized recovery plan and coach you via your smartphone to take the necessary small daily steps to climb back up that cliff and to get right back from the edge. So, however big your health goal is, your first small step is to tell ActiveX what you'd like to recover from and prevent in future. And we'll start building your next small steps straight away. Over to you.